spoon from my kitchen to scoop it up out of a dollar store trash can, and it is working phenomenally. Oh, it feels so good to have my hands in the soil again. Winter is so hard when I can't be in the dirt, growing and producing good food for our family. I'm sure there's many of you out there that are the same way. I have these wonderful reusable mini greenhouses. They have 12 cells in them that I picked up off of Amazon last year. However, since I have my big greenhouse now, I won't be needing to use the domes off of these this year, but they come like this, and then they have the white tray that is the reservoir. So what are some things that you all grow, if you do grow? I like to grow onions and carrots. I love my tomatoes. And we discovered a love of eggplant last year. We always have green peppers. And I like to grow the lunchbox peppers. They're fun to snack on. And we always try to grow okra and squash. We love to have our winter squash. And of course zucchini. And we usually grow watermelon and some kind of cantaloupe. And I love my beets. I love my beets. I like to roast beets and pickle them. I like to do freezer pickles. That way you don't have to process them, other than making the brine. That's about all you have to do when you make the freezer pickles, which is easier for me being disabled. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm using the underside of the pot, the little cells, to pack down the soil. It just makes it easier to make sure you have enough soil in the cells before you put your seeds in there. And that way you can make sure you have it at the right depth for the seed that you're sowing. Handy little trick that I learned by watching YouTube. Sorry about that. I do not have a tripod yet, but I plan to get one. It will make things so much easier. And I actually remembered to film this video the right direction for YouTube. That's a downfall that I've had so far in starting my channel. I keep forgetting to flip it the right direction. Bear with me and I'll learn. That's all we do every day, is we learn. And if we're not learning, something's wrong. So there's always something new to learn. Let's see, what should we plant next? I planted our Wethersfield Red. Let's do Southport Red Globe onions. Oh, my husband is coming out. It's always good to know you're loved. Alright, and I am just placing 3 seeds in each cell. And hopefully this year, I will have a much better success rate with my onions. I'm learning something new every year about how to grow and be more successful. Some of them are getting 4 seeds, and that's okay. We can separate them when we get ready to plant, or thin them as we need to. enjoy our onions. There's so many things you can make with onions. I do enjoy the Baker Creek seeds. They are non-GMO and organic. And that's always good. It's important to know what you're putting in your body. Alright, now that my seeds are in there, I'm just going to top them off with a little more soil. Make sure they're covered well. Okay, that looks pretty good. Smooth it off. And again, I'm going to use my other pot and just press that down, not quite as tight, because I want the seeds to be able to poke through the soil. Alright. And then, let's see if we can separate these. Cleaned at the end of last season like we wanted to, but it's a little harder to get apart. Okay. And now, fill another pot. It really doesn't take too long to plant up a bunch of seeds if you're prepared and have everything together. Oh, it feels so nice to be out here working, to have the weather nice enough to be out here. Now, some of my onions actually prefer the cold and require the cold to stratify and to grow. This next one is called a Stuttgarter, which is from Germany, and it does require the cold in order to grow properly. Okay. Stuttgarter. There we go. And these are also from Baker Creek, but the package got ruined, so I put it in one of my Seed Saver envelopes. Now, because the original package got ruined, the seeds got compromised on these, so I'm not 100% sure these will grow, but I'm hopeful. So I am going to seed them a little bit heavier, just in case. And there we have it. Seed or soil, that is, on top. Okay. And that should do it. is my full-sized onions planted for the year. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.